Connected to Vikings Wired.
I'm mic'd up with Fada. You want to tell anyone something? No! Anything you want to tell the people back home? Oh, you mic'd up? Anything you want to tell the people back home?
It is the preseason, a matchup of two perennial contenders in the NFC as the Seahawks take on the Minnesota Vikings.
Right, I'm over here, I'm over here, I'm over here. Boy. Get Connor! That's how you play it! They got one timeout, 2-minute drill. Expect the screen on the first play. Oh yeah! Oh no! Oh yeah! Oh, they got that on camera! Hey, go follow my boy Irv Smith at Swervin Irvin _ at Swervin Irvin _. Victories, victories, victories. I can't give you the helmet, damn.